Hey everyone, Boz from RealWave here. Today I'm excited to show you a new and innovative way to keep delivering value to your customers even after CloseBot qualification process. Once CloseBot hands things over to RealWave Vision, your customers can send images and have full conversation around the analysis, all tailored to your business and their specific needs. This creates an ongoing, engaging dialogue with endless opportunities for nurturing, follow-ups, and even upsells. So let's dive in right to the demo. Today we're building a nutrition and health advisor. CloseBot will gather all the details needed for the qualification. In this case, we kept it simple. CloseBot will gather the customer's health goals, restriction or allergies, and dietary preferences. Um, we gather that the goals are weight loss and maintaining muscle mass, lactose intolerance, and having a keto diet. For this case, just to showcase. After CloseBot gathers the last qualification field, it hands over with a last message, something like perfect, keto is great for that. We can focus on a high fat protein, blah, blah, blah. And then how about your meals throughout the day? Do you prefer a few large meals or several small ones? So notice how CloseBot has an engaging last message to smoothly hand over to RealWave Vision that also know the context of everything that we had so far. So let's start with the first example. Let's say I'm walking down the street and I'm seeing a restaurant's menu on the wall. I'm uploading it straight away to the conversation, and let's see how it responds. So as you can see, it's a restaurant's menu. It's written in handwriting on the wall, not the clearest thing. All right. So for your lactose intolerance, keto diet, stick with options like pork chops and eggs, bacon and eggs. So it sees what we have on the picture. It understands the context, so how it should help us, and also advise us what's in the picture is good for us, what's not good for us. We can ask for give a healthier option in the type of food that is presented in the picture, for example. Eat a breakfast in bowl, swap the high carb sides with sauteed spinach, avocado slice, so it also knows how to give recommendations. Let's hop on to the next example and upload a picture I took in the market, showcasing lots of fruits, vegetables, and different options to some things that might be better or worse for us, and let's see how it reacts. All right, so this image features a colorful array of fruits and veggies. For your keto goals, focus on broccoli, cauliflower, bell peppers, leafy greens. Avoid high carbs fruits like apples, oranges. So it sees everything in the picture and analyzes it, what's good for me, what's not. And let's try to give me a recipe I can make with the ingredients which are good for me. So it, of course, remembers the entire history of the conversation. It knows the last messages, it knows the context. Zucchini noodles with teriyaki chicken. So It gives stir-fry recipes because in the last message, he recommended zucchini noodle stir-fry. So it knows the ingredients that were in the last picture, suggests ideas, gives recipes with live links to the recipe website. Really smart, really engaging, really keeps you coming back for more. Remember, you can always program it to after several messages and have several upsell opportunities like promoting courses, one-on-one meetings, products you may have. And I want to show you a quick look at the Go High Level workflow. Really easy, really simple. So after the customer replied in the beginning, it will go to the CloseBot webhook. Once CloseBot objectives are completed, it will go to Realway Vision API, save the response, and send it right away. So I would really love to hear what you guys think and to hear how it can help you, how it can solve your pain points, what will keep your customers keep coming back for more value. Can't wait to hear it. Thank you very much.